Okay, so if you make changes to your inventory on your order online page, so for example, if you look at your online menu and if you look at something like this and you recently added new products to it, so you need to do a manual sync. So here's how you do a manual sync. You click on the dashboard. The dashboard is the back end. You should have a username and password. Once you get that and log in, you'll be shown the dashboard, which looks like this. This is called the back end or the dashboard or the WordPress dashboard. So what you do from here is click on this button here called Clover Orders, then Settings, then press Import Inventory, and then press Update Modifier. So you want to do all three of them. Again, you press this button, Import Inventory, and then scroll halfway down. You want to do something called Manual Sync here. She says use manual sync if changes have been made to your inventory and it hasn't synced. So you will need this whenever you make changes to your Clover inventory. So I'm going to go ahead and press update modifiers. Depending on how many modifiers got updated, it'll take up to 30 seconds or a minute. So once that's done, go to the next step and then go to the next step. And then so right now it's saying how many items have been updated. So what you would do now is when it says updated, you go here and then now refresh the page. So you refresh the page so you can see the changes that was made. So now we got all these new items that previously did not show. The reason it shows now is because we did a manual sync, and the manual sync imported all those new items that were created on the Clover inventory app to the website. And that's how a manual sync works. So remember, this will be very important as you keep making changes and modifications to your inventory. One thing I noticed right off the back is it says 0 modifier groups. So based on experience, this tells me that either in this scenario, you may have forgotten to add modifiers to it, because it's very important to have modifiers to pizzas. So people, when they order, they are able to select different toppings. And also I noticed that this inventory was not set up correctly. So you may need to add items to each category. See, as you can see, all the categories are empty. What this means is that you do not put the items inside the categories. So you'll need to log into your Clover.com Clover.com or your Clover POS device in front of you and put the items inside the category. See how they're all empty? So yeah, you have to make sure those items inside there. Okay. So keep tweaking with it, keep updating it, and then keep syncing it until you get it right. Okay, so it takes a few tries. Once you get a few items down, then you become an expert at that. All right, thank you so much.